friends! Welcome back to One Smile Drawing. Yahoo! Look, friends, let's trace a big, bold letter A. Up we go to the peak,
Yes!
down to the bottom, and a straight line right across the middle. Wow, nice! Can you say it with me? Letter A. Next comes the bouncy letter B. Let's draw a straight line down, one curvy loop at the top, and another curvy loop at the bottom. Super! Look how neat it is! Now, let's make a big, curvy letter C. Round and round like a beautiful half moon. Yahoo! Our ABC outlines are looking so cool. Yes! Now, let's trace the yummy fruits, starting with the apple. Let's make a big round circle, add a tiny stem on top, and a pretty little leaf. Ooh, beautiful! A is for apple. Look at the banana bunch right under letter B. Let's trace the long, smooth curves. 1, 2, and 3. Bananas all together. Wow! B is for banana. Last but not least, let's draw our cute little cherries under letter C. Let's trace the long twin stems, a small green leaf, and 2 perfect little round shapes at the bottom. Yay! C is for cherry. Look at that! Our whole outline is fully done. Wow! Amazing job, friends! Time for magic colors, friends! Yahoo! Let's paint the big letter A with a bright, beautiful red. Look how bold it looks. Wow! Smooth and nice, staying inside the lines. Perfect! Now let's color the yummy fruits. First is the apple. We are painting the outside peel with a bright red, the juicy inside with a soft cream color, and the leaf on top with a fresh green. Yummy, yummy! A delicious, sweet apple. Now, let's splash some cool blue onto our bouncy letter B. Fill it all up, make it look super bright. Nice! Letter B is looking so happy in blue. Yes! Look at the banana bunch. Let's color the long, curvy bananas with a rich, bright yellow and the tiny top stems with a warm brown. Ooh, wow! They look so ripe and ready to eat. Yummy! Next is letter C. Let's color it with a sunny, bright yellow. Ooh, wow, it looks just like a golden half moon. Our ABC letters are looking absolutely fantastic together. Beautiful! Last but not least, let's paint our cute little cherries. We are coloring the 2 round cherries with a sweet, shiny red, and the long stems and leaf with a beautiful green. Yay!
Yes!
Look at that! Our ABC fruit world is completely finished and full of colors. Wow! Super job, friends!